Cô vào nấu trên. Cô vào. Nhanh lên. Xí gram. Theo rồi kìa.
Today we took a short walk from our hotel down to the famous train street to see what it was all about.
We're not really sure what's going on. We're trying to get, you've got to get a cafe owner apparently to come and collect you to take you to a cafe along the train line. But we're all now being stopped here and we're not really sure what's going on.
Ra thôi nhá.
Don't know what the hell's going on. The train hasn't come. Told you it's a scam.
Okay, well, I'm still taking a fucking photo because this is bullshit. Hubby.
I'll do it on you. I'll flip it this way. So we've been sitting there for freaking hours.
Just wait. I want to take a selfie quickly because we're getting to the end.
We've been sitting there for freaking hours and no train.
Okay, we haven't sat there for hours. We've sat there for 1 hour.
And then some cranky ass cop comes by, starts whistling and yelling and just telling you to piss off.
No one speaks a word of English. They didn't even want to entertain the idea of using Google Translate with me. So I'm not quite sure what is going on.
Cô vào nấu trên. Cô vào. Nhanh lên. Xí gram. Theo rồi kìa.
Okay, so I finally got someone, I don't know who he was, but someone running around on the... Was it?
Yeah.
Okay. On Google Translate, just trying to understand why we've all been ushered out of the cafes and out of the train station area. There is a police chase happening. That's all I got.
No, I think it's just the police.
Yeah.
No, not a chase.
That's what he said.
Yeah, no, it's that idiot chasing everyone out. I don't think Google Translate quite picked it up.
No, I think there's something, because I heard other people saying a similar thing as well, that something's going on with people on the train or near the train, something to do with the train, and now the police are involved.
Not quite the experience we were thinking it was going to be.
Not a scam!
So it ended up being 45 minutes late?
Yes, 12:15 it just came. We were at the cafe, waiting.
Then the cops came and everyone was yelling, not telling
Yes.
anyone what was doing, just
No word of
angry,
English.
kicking everyone out.
Yes, I did get someone to finally say a couple of words on Google Translate, because we were like, what the hell's going on? Because they were ushering us to leave to go to basically get off the train line.
And the cafes.
And the cafes, well, just to basically get away from the train line and everything. And I got 2 words back on Google Translate saying police chase, so we weren't really sure.
Yeah, because we've seen police chasing people in action in Ho Chi Minh, and they don't chase very quickly.
It's a very slow chase.
We're not sure whether they were chasing someone or they're just chasing tourists out of the area.
Yes. Anyway, so we were literally just walking away, thought, what a bugger.
What a
We've
scam.
missed it, what a scam. And then all of a sudden, the guys up at the cafes called us back in, so we weren't able to go to the cafe, but we were able to still see the train coming, which was great.
Yeah.
We got to
Not
do
quite the same
it.
experience we were expecting, but at least we caught the train.
Yeah.
After the train street, we decided to walk a short distance the other way from the hotel to the famous street murals.
Thank God for, what were they? $12 authentic Nike jackets.
Winning!
It's freaking freezing.
Yeah, we were not expecting this weather at all, and I think it doesn't help. We've been in very warm weather for the past 8 months now,
yeah.
and today is what, 20?
20 degrees, yeah.
20 degrees, and we are freaking freezing. We walked past a little open grill with flames coming out of it, and I just stood there to warm my hands
Yeah, it
up.
was nice actually.
We're just not used to this weather, it's ridiculous. So if you're coming this time of year, so that March, April to Vietnam, particularly, it's kind of got cooler the further north we've gotten. Da Nang
Yeah, but the
was a
first
little
day
bit
was
cool.
like 28, 30 degrees, which was not...
Yeah, well,
And then-
I don't know. I think you should just be prepared just to bring a light jacket if you're coming that March, April months, just to be safe.
It was cool yesterday, but they went, oh, that's strange, it's not normally, and then it's colder again today.
Yes.
Just a random street barber. I think Nikki's left something here.
Your love is what I need.
And of course, Novelty Nikki has us doing a nice scenic boat ride.
So we're in a swan on a lake. It's a miserable day. I'm really not steering very well.
No, you can.
And this cost us about $6 Australian, $100,000
Dong for an hour.
for an hour. Novelty wins again.
Right, you better. Pedal, you mate.
Under the sea, probably not.
Excuse me, don't stop. You're my boat driver.
Oh, it's a workout, let me tell you.
You already did it in the coconut boat. I've told you my job is to sit back and relax.
Fine. It'll allow me to have my Vietnamese coffee. It's milk, because I'll have worked it off before I even have it today.
You won't be able to walk again. On a good side note though, it's this third boat, third lot of life jackets, but we don't have to wear them this time.
That's not a life jacket.
I think it
That's
is.
if you fall in. That's to keep you afloat in the water.
Yeah, instead of a life
It's not
jacket.
a life jacket.
Safety device.
But the water is pretty putrid, so I would not want to be falling in. So we're back. This is our second visit to the Met Vietnamese restaurant, and the food here is delicious. We ordered, we basically ordered exactly the same as we ordered the first time because it was so delicious. So we ordered beef and green beans stir fry, and we've also today, just because we've come for lunch rather than dinner, we've gone a little bit smaller. We've ordered the fried rice fried rice with garlic and vegetables, which hands down was possibly one of the best fried rice I ever tried. Well, we had it the first time, so I want to see if it lives up to the hype. Round 2. Yep, it's official. This is my favourite fried rice I've ever eaten in my life. Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying our videos, please consider subscribing to our channel.